Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. So today I'm going to teach you how to translate text in Google Sheet. Suppose you want to translate this text into Japanese. So to do that, you need to use this formula, and then you have to select it, and then for translating into Japanese language, you need to write JA, and then so you can see my text translated into Japanese format. So suppose you want to translate this text into Bengali format, so you need to use this formula. Again, I need to select the cell, and after that for translating into Bangla text, I need to type BN and then hit enter. You can see my text has translated into Bengali. So this is how you can translate your text into any language. So thank you all, keep watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe.